Welcome to the unboxing of Kwikset Kevo Convert Smart Lock Conversion Kit. Quick Setup Guide. Notice this guide does not contain full installation instructions. The free Kevo app contains a step-by-step interactive guide to installing and configuring the lock. Smart Lock Conversion Interior. Interior Cover. Interior Assembly. Battery Pack. The battery pack is empty, but you will see that batteries are included in the box. Terms and conditions. 4 AA Rayovac batteries. Kevo Convert contains 3 different mounting plate kits. Kit A contains black colored hardware that is compatible with Kwikset and Weiser deadbolts. Mounting plate. Adapter. Installation hardware. Kit B contains gold-colored hardware that is compatible with Baldwin Reserve, Baldwin Prestige, and Baldwin Estate deadbolts. Mounting plate. Adapters. Installation hardware. Kit C contains silver-colored hardware that is compatible with Schlage deadbolts. Mounting plate. Adapters. Installation hardware. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Kevo Convert Smart Lock Conversion Kit.